Alright, so here I am in Air Ronge, Saskatchewan, just outside of Air Ronge, and getting a first-hand look at what Northlands College Mine School is all about.
We teach the Hailbury School of Mines course here. It's been around for over 100 years, and it's an excellent, excellent course. My name is Vince Karlowitz. I'm instructor here at the Mine School, and I teach mining engineering and geology. It gets the students prepared for multiple jobs in the mining industry, in exploration, milling, underground mining, open pit mining, technical sales reps, a lot of geology field exploration. So they've got a lot of different avenues they can go, and all over the world.
My name is Rachel. I'm from here in Air Ronge, but I'm originally from Timber Bay. When I saw the outline of this program, I was interested in mineralogy, geology. AutoCAD to the simple little rocks and how they are. I enjoy it, I love it. Like everything we're learning. It really is a challenge, but you know, the rewards are great.
My name is Keith Elgin, and I'm from here at Air Ronge. I wanted to further my education, challenge myself. Heard it was one of the hardest courses they had here. Gotten a lot of interest into the mining industry now that I'm here.
Not too many people in my family that are in mining, period. Like I'm the first person in my family to do this.
It's a recognized diploma worldwide. It's a real passport to success, and we're very lucky, and I'm very proud to be teaching this, being a graduate myself.